Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skiller.
Yeah, me know. Hey, yo, Skiller. You are watching Dancehall Skiller Entertainment. Hey, yo, Skiller. Alright, everybody, you don't know who this is already. This is the Skiller. Yeah. Now, do you remember the bus driver that got shot for attacking a police officer in Spalding? Well, here is a footage from the same bus driver before the incident took place. Alright? Please observe.
I actually don't even know. I don't know. Yeah, yo, I don't even know. I don't even know, tell you the truth. Yo, cause I don't know. Come like they want to fight me till I don't know. This a boy, same police again, you know. Tappy boss really come up. I was saying how one passenger now where they on the 30-yard list so me have contract to car. You see me? I know I will tell me, say them will take up a bus. I admit that's part of it now. Yo, them police out Jamaica dog, then corrupt till me don't know, brother. Me I tell you see me? Me have contract to carry picnic them, signed and sealed by Transport Authority. And the man still not every move the man the same way. I put Reedy in there now, boop Reedy come up, the man still a tapping. So I don't know what else to do. Tell you the truth, I don't know what else to do. I don't know what else to do. Don't know what else to do. You see me? Don't know what else to do.
Yep. So that is the reason, maybe, that is his side of the story, you know what I mean? Frustration, in a way, to him, you see me? I know anger can get the best of us, you get what I'm saying, but you see, it's like, I have to ask, to please just try and comply with the law. I know that it's kind of tough with a lot of things that happen, but at the same time, it's just the best way to go about this thing because the law governs over our country at all times. Alright? So anyway, that's his side of the story. I hope that can clear up some of the air and some of the questions and some of the things that people have been saying and the whole lot of, vibes that have been going on, asking why him do it, why him do that, that's his side of the story. Up to you, the viewers, to tell me what you think about the story, his version of the story, and let me know your full opinion, As you know it, he's okay, and he's doing the recovery, I'm talking the bus driver, and the greatest thing is no life was lost, and I hope that you, the viewers, can learn from an experience like this. Anyways, if you need to know more about Wagwan in Jamaica and around the world, you have to tune in to the Dancehall Skiller. If you're new to my channel, you have to click the subscribe button. You need to contact me. You read the description below the video. You know the thing go. My name is Skiller, and that was Dancehall Skiller Entertainment.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?